Hello.
Hello!
Hello,
Yo!
beautiful creatures.
How's
Criaturas.
it going? Criaturas,
Criatura.
DimGraves.
No, criaturas
What?
del Señor. No, we're not. We're not
Criaturas del Señor.
No, that's El Rubius' thing.
Sí, es verdad. No sé mucho, no me acordaba, la verdad, ni recordaba.
Yo tampoco, o sea, me acuerdo muy poco de esa época. But anyway, hi.
Yogo Goku, Yogo
Me
Stick, Yogo
asustaste.
Joshua,
¿Por qué te
Yogo
asusté?
Doda. Eh,
Wait, tulipán genérico
Yogo Lamprey,
is
Lamprey.
lamprey, right? Yeah. Okay, I was like, okay. Had to. Me asustaste, yo no asusto.
Had to do a double take.
Lo tenía de fondo, gracias. Vale, ok. Ya veo.
Sorpresa.
Sorpresa. Boo.
So, welcome to today's stream. We are DimGrave. Once again, we're gonna be game deving, suffering, and all that stuff. So, what are we gonna be doing today?
I'm gonna be doing more concept art on the stuff. I mean, I guess we have to kind of talk about it. I mean, it's on screen, right?
Yeah.
I'm doing a little bit of architect. Like the most important part, right, would be like how to translate this stuff to pixel art. But first, we gotta make it so we understand how we're gonna make it in pixel art later. So I'm
Yeah, don't
working
worry.
on.
Doing it in pixel art is gonna be no problem.
Yeah, but we need to kind of envision it first, right? So I'm doing concept art, and I've been working on architecture of a demo we wanna like establish a prototype.
Prototype, yeah.
Yes, so we're working.
We realized that was very important. We were kind of working on a lot of final stuff when we should be working on a prototype first, because that's like the most important thing to know how things are going to be. So yeah, we're gonna be prototyping.
Yes, we're basically I've been doing patterns that we can use as walls or either floors for certain types of architecture that are going to be very important in the story, and I think it's better if we like set them up already before we go into it blind, or at least set some patterns so we have an idea when we have to translate it into pixel art, right?
Yep. We need to know how things look like before we start trying to put them on paper and doing the assets, because otherwise we're gonna end up as lost as we were.
Indeed.
I was very lost with the maps of the tower, so this is gonna be really helpful.
Yes.
Yoko Juan, Yoko Ciel, Yoko
Hey,
Kevin, Yoko Music.
What's up,
everyone?
But yeah, basically doing architecture, and I've never done architecture, so I'm not good.
Well, it's always a first time.
Always,
we're gonna have to do a lot of architecture for the game, because we're gonna have to draw a bunch of environments, a lot of cities with different styles. I feel like that's gonna be probably one of the most difficult things, finding a different style for each place.
For Ferrona, I don't think I'm gonna have much of a problem.
Yeah, that's very your aesthetic.
Yeah, but Mondrak is gonna be, I think, even less of a problem because we can use like real church aesthetics for it.
So yeah, I have a bunch of pictures that can work.
Yeah, so that's why I don't think we're gonna need a lot of concept for Ferrona, except for for Mondrak for specific things, because it's
we're
already.
We're gonna need a lot of concepts anyway.
I mean, no, we're gonna need them, but like in terms of Gothic architecture, we have a lot of examples already, so we're not gonna we can lean a little bit on that aspect, right? Ferrona though, it's gonna be more oof. That's where I'm gonna have to do a lot of concept art. Can art stop demanding being a professional of a lot of disciplines? Yeah.
So true. Say it louder, Lamprey. Say it louder. It's so true. It is. Everything unrelated requires so much expertise, especially with video games. You need to know so many things. You need to know how to draw buildings, characters, animations, animals.
Yeah, and a lot of these things are new, at least to me.
Yep, same.
So you know, it's since everything is so new, you have to learn it. But the more you learn, the more you realize, right, that it is a profession. And trying to, I think the way that it kind of recontextualized concept art for me is like you having trouble with envisioning certain things and I knowing how to kind of see them, but at the same time it's like I need to put this into paper.
Yep.
So you can actually, so I can actually help you do them, right?
It is easy to imagine things, but giving them a shape on paper is a lot more difficult. But it is so easy to imagine things because the images in the head are a lot more vague. So giving them a more specific shape, you need to do it very well. You need to envision it as best as possible in the paper.
Yes. Like, for example,
because especially there's both of us that are going to have to be doing art, so we both need to know exactly how the things that we need to do are going to be like.
Exactly, like imagine this part, right? This type of wall pattern that can also be on the floor. How do I describe that to you without knowing how to do it?
Exactly.
It's like circular patterns, okay, like magic circles, okay, with gems in the middle, okay, inlaid gold, okay, but it wouldn't probably look like this unless I made it.
It would be able to have a lot of different shapes.
Exactly.
Yo, that's Tiny Bunny, welcome.
What's up?
We're doing well today.
So yeah, it's very hard. It's quite hard doing all of this and try to, you know, doing this. It actually is the first time I'm doing concept art. It's contextualizing how to put ideas into a paper, because sometimes it's not important doing it. It's concept, right? You don't have to do it perfectly as long as the vision is there and people can take it and then make it later.
Iteration is important, like doing things over and over so you can keep improving over them. That's also a big part of concept arting. Finding what things work and putting them in the next iteration. That is very important.
It is very important.
Yep.
And you need art for that. Do these magic circles make un noise instead of generic magic sound? Well, about that, we thought about that, right? Because this is basically like, we're making, there's an old civilization in the game, and we wanted to make, because their architecture is a little bit different than what we have today. Because, for example, for Mondrag, we're gonna be using Gothic architecture, to put an example. We got a lot of examples in real life, but about this, we don't have a lot of examples about this type of architecture.
This is completely fictional. This is all from our head.
It is more sci-fi than anything, right? So we were like, okay, it's kind of like sci-fi magic, so we have to search something interesting. And some of the circles, let's see if I can find it. Is it in here? Yes. Some of the circles I put here, right? I have like a normal one, a gold one, and then I put one that is magic. Will they make sounds? Most probably.
I could imagine them making some zoom sound, like some sort of pulsating energy and stuff.
Yeah, I could see that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, finding art that can work for reference also works a lot. Finding other people who have done these things their own way, it can give ideas on how to solve these things that we're not sure how to represent. That might be finding images of reference can also work.
We did get some...
Zephyr, welcome. I'm super cool. Yeah. Today my job is gonna be to do programming. For now, I'm kind of stalling, looking at the concept art on Aleph's stream, but I will have to work on this.
We exchange roles today.
Yeah, today we was exchange roles.
We exchanged some roles today.
So in my case, what I'm gonna be doing, I made some provisional assets for the world map menu. So I'm gonna be trying to figure out how they work. I'm trying to test them and all that stuff.
It didn't work, right?
there is something that didn't work. Like right now, I can show what I have of these.
I had an idea, and I think I know what it is.
Let's see.
World map is sprite 2D.
World map is a lot of things. Let me
Yes.
let me show you. First, I'm gonna show
The pain is the same. I
the
agree. Yes,
testing.
it is the
Yo,
same.
Valparius, welcome. Yes, that's what I'm gonna be screaming all day. Prints and help.
At some point.
Let me show you this. It looks really small right now.
Make it bigger.
Big. Look at that. This is the window of the game. We've got our protagonist here. We also can open the menu. For those who haven't seen it before, there's like some of the things that already work. I'll edit all these menus and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And all these, so far it works well. But different tabs.
Hopefully.
So,
oh yeah, you can click on
what
the
I've
potions too
been...
if you wanna like.
Oh yeah,
check
you
the
can also
submenu.
click on the potions. And then and here you can... Oh wait, this gets cut off.
Wait, what does it get cut off? Oh,
Oh no,
oh.
it got cut off in the stream
Oh,
because
okay,
I
okay,
had
okay. I was like, wait. What the fuck happened?
No,
That
no, no,
worked.
don't
Last time I
worry.
checked, that worked.
It is fine, it is fine, don't worry. Juego a hacerlo retro. Oh, Dios mío, no.
No, no,
Es
no.
un RPG que estamos haciendo que se llama la Gran. Aún está muy en proceso. Estamos haciendo el prototipo ahora mismo, pero tenemos algunas cosas así que se ven más finales, como los menús. Chan. Y aquí pues se pueden usar las pociones. Aún faltan cositas, pero de momento hay muchas cosas que funcionan. Chan. So, mi idea era hacer que cuando salieras de la torre
Mm.
se abriera un mapa del mundo para ir, a diferentes dungeons y tal. So my idea was that when you exit the tower, the world menu the world map menu opens, and then you can choose different dungeons and stuff
Mm-hmm.
to go into. But it doesn't work. If I try to do this, it crashed before. Now it's disabled because it crashed, but it didn't work. I couldn't manage to make it so when you walk here, it opens either. So what I did was make it open with a different key just to test it for now.
Yes.
And so far, there's this. I will have to try to. The first thing I'm gonna do is try to make it so that depending on the dungeon that you click, the information here changes and stuff. So yeah, we'll see.
Well, I will have to animate that either way. So I would say that for the first thing to do would be to make the map move while dragging.
Yeah, that too. At the same time, oh wait,
Yeah, you can still do that. Escape doesn't work.
this is horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, this needs a lot of work. This needs a lot of work.
I think I know why the world map dragging doesn't work. If you want to check the world map.
Yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah.
I think I thought. Did you use the tutorial I sent you?
I did. I got exactly more or less the same code as that.
More or less.
I think it is the same code. It's this, but it doesn't work. It just does not work.
Let me check the nodes. 1 second. Go to world map.
Yep. No worries. No eran los desarrollos de juegos para miembros, solo los de mis proyectos propios. Dije que los de DimGrave iban a seguir siendo públicos, porque como los hacemos en stream los dos, también están en el stream de Aleph, no tiene sentido que yo lo ponga para miembros y Aleph no.
Yep.
Por eso aclaré que los de DimGrave iban a ser aún públicos, yep. Al menos no eres el junior que borró toda la base de datos del cliente por error. ¡Oh! ¡No! Uf.
Duro.
Muy duro eso. Muy duro.
But yeah, go to the nodes of world map. I want to check something.
Yep. Okay. So world map has these nodes. It has this map that is, well, wait. Okay, from the beginning. There's this node. This is like a node 2D that is empty and has the other nodes as children to hold them together, you know. This is the sprite of the map. And then there's an area 2D with a collision shape that occupies the entire map.
Okay.
So supposedly, when you click in any part of these, it should move the sprite 3.
Okay. Go to the world map menu.
That's world map menu here.
No, the menu. Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the menu.
Yes, I'm going slow. Okay. How big is the? Because I think what's happening, right? It's you're obscuring the map.
It might be.
Yes, you cannot drag it.
It might be that it is not detecting the clicks because there are things on top.
Exactly, it is what's happening. So I want you to go to dungeon list and see how big the node is.
It was not really big.
Just click it.
Yep, it's this.
It is okay. Dungeon list and then go to dungeon info.
Dungeon info. It is this. But it wasn't working either way. Even if I clicked in here, which is what I was doing, it doesn't work. Even before I put the dungeon info, it still didn't work. It might be something that it's just not detecting it, I think.
Okay, do something then. Go to world map and open it as a test window.
How do I do that?
Go up to the right.
It was up here.
No. Up to the right.
Here.
Yes.
Like currency?
Yes.
We'll see.
I think something weird will happen with the health bars and stuff, because I remember that they just appeared and stuff like that, but should be okay.
Oh yeah, it works. Here it works.
Exactly. So here's the deal, right? Your well, I cannot look because you're not showing it on screen, but
I'm showing it now.
Okay.
I'm showing it now.
There we go. See, this is what should happen, right?
Yep, this is what should happen.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Yes. Don't look at the health bars. It's okay. Don't look at them. I don't know why they're there. They appear in every test screen for some reason. I don't know why, but it happens.
Oh my god.
So I think there's stuff obscuring the thing. So what we're gonna do, right? Go to the nodes, and if you search in properties and go to mouse.
In world map menu.
And in menu, yes. And here's where we're gonna have a problem though. Remember what we said we were gonna do, that the map would only scroll when this is not on camera.
Yep.
Right, so I want you
Usually these would be hidden.
Yes, then I want you to hide it.
Yep, it's gonna be hidden by default. I just put it here so I could place it, but it's gonna be hidden for now.
Try it now without the dungeon info.
It still didn't work, but I'm gonna try it. Let's see. Yo, Marina, yo, Michi, yo, Leo, welcome. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream.
Welcome.
Secret boss found. That's why the health bars are there.
No, that's the health bar of the characters, actually.
No, it's a secret boss. It's a secret boss.
It's a secret boss.
Okay.
Try it now.
See, it doesn't work. I'm gonna try it, but hiding the dungeon list. Because maybe it's that. Or maybe it's the lights. Let me try something. Because there is something I need to make sure of. And it's that the lights don't affect the pause menu, but they are affecting the world map menu. There might be
go
something
to mouse.
that's blocking.
Go to mouse and filter properties, mouse. And filter, see that it says stop?
Stop, this is on.
Right, you want it to go to... No.
It is the same though.
No, you have to change it so it's not stop. Right? You don't want it in stop. You want it in what are the other options that they didn't show?
As an ignore.
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 Yes.
All right. But in pause menu, it's set as a stop.
Oh no, not pause menu. No.
No. What I'm saying is that in pause menu, it's set as a stop, but in world map menu, now it's set as ignore.
No, put it on stop. I thought you were talking about the lights.
No. I was talking about
no. You have to put it as stop. Ignore is basically the ignore. Okay, what it does.
Yeah.
It's like it blocks. It doesn't block what's behind it with clicks. So they need to be.
The thing is, the lights don't have those properties.
What do you mean they don't have those properties?
They don't have those properties.
Go to the lights and we'll see.
Only this one, and it's set as stop. But the thing is, the lights should not.
Put it at ignore.
No, listen. The world map menu should not have the lights on top. It should be just like the pause menu that doesn't have the lights on top. There should be a way of not making
why
the
are
lights
you
on
saying
top.
That's gonna be a problem then?
Because I need to fix it.
I don't think. Okay, let's check the ordering. The lights. Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm gonna do that. Don't worry.
That's fair.
See? Here, the index of the pause menu is 100, so I'm gonna set it exactly the same.
No, don't change the. Don't touch the Z index. That's a road to hell.
I need to change it. Let me go. You'll see. You will see.
No, that's gonna bring problems later because we've already had problems with that. But
no. Don't worry about it.
I do worry about it because we've had problems with that.
Don't worry about it.
I do worry about it.
Do not worry about it.
All right. I'm gonna work on my stuff then.
Yep. Because the thing is that the lights do not affect the pause menu, so they shouldn't affect the world map menu either.
Exactly.
That's what I want to try to do. Make them not affect the world map menu.
But they don't affect the
They don't affect it anymore. Look at that.
Okay, wait.
It still opens the menu anyway, but
I can see it on stream.
No, wait. I'm opening it. In theory now, the lights should not be affecting it.
But they weren't affecting it before.
Now they are not affecting it. Before they were affecting it. You could see the circle of light in the world map.
Why though?
Because it was in a way lower Z layer. I had to change the Z layer to put it way above the lights.
I think it has to do with what's it called? I think it has to do with the node order you have in here in the world map menu.
No, but it doesn't affect them anymore. The light thing is fixed.
I know. But it's not the lights.
It was the lights before.
Okay.
But what is making the map not work? I'm gonna try to figure it out now.
Yeah, it's what I'm telling you. It's probably the nodes. The nodes are there's a node somewhere that is actually blocking it, or maybe it doesn't work. I think I know. Well, I don't know which node would make it not work, but
I put this here. No. The world map needs to be below everything else.
It does. But that's the
We'll
problem.
lose her mind when we're an hour into the stream. That's what coding does to a motherfucker. Maybe I'm starting to lose my mind already.
I'm trying to see how this could work, but
I just tried by hiding dungeon list and dungeon info, and it still didn't let me move the world map.
World map menu then is the problem, maybe, because you've checked that the dragging works, right?
Yeah, in the world map, in only the world map it works.
Can I check the dragging script for a second?
Yeah. Dragging script. Let me see here. The script should be fine.
Yeah, but I want to know how it works, though.
Yeah.
Position. Let me do this full screen. If selected, follow map. Selected is like pressing the button, right? I imagine.
Yeah, selected is so. If selected, wait, it's this. When you click on the area to be, when you click on the collider that the map has, it checks if you are clicking with the button. And if you're clicking with the button, it sets the offset to calculate the distance between the center of the image or the collider and the mouse, and sets that as the offset to maintain it when you are dragging the image, and then sets it as true. And if not, then it sets it at false.
Right.
And that is put in process, so it happens continuously. So it checks continuously if you are clicking or not. And then it just changes the position with all mouse.
I see. Now, why is this not working? I have an idea and it's very fucking stupid. If you go to world map menu,
yeah,
I think the problem here, and I don't know, it's just so we can test it. You change world map menu to ignore, to mouse here. Ignore. Yes, go mouse. Oh, you're not gonna be able to do that.
Yeah, ignore.
Okay.
No, it's as ignore.
Okay, and then world map, you're gonna set it as a stop. I don't know if you can do that. I have absolutely no clue if you can do that. See?
I think there's no mouse option in world map that I can find here.
It's in edit, so that's the problem here.
Right, then I need to edit it from world map itself. Nope. No. There's still no mouse option because it's a node to the.
It's a node to the.
I'm guessing mouse is only in control nodes.
Yep.
Yo, Xenia and Yoko Shatter Reef, welcome!
Then change
I'm
it.
I'm trying.
You can.
What do I change?
Like, first of all, put it in stop. In here, it doesn't matter because we cannot do what I wanted to try.
And say please stop.
Yeah. Put it on stop, and what you can do is change the world map node into a control node.
Oh, yeah, maybe we can try.
Maybe that will work. I have no clue.
Let's check. Maybe it works.
Maybe it works. I don't know.
Maybe it does work. Who knows?
If we are lucky, it will work. I don't know if it will, but
I think now it should be changed. It says that it's a control node, but it still shows up as blue. What?
Press Control S. You need to save so it changes.
No, it didn't change. It says that it's control node, but it shows up in blue.
I don't know, man. It does say that it's a control node up there.
Yep. At least it says that.
You did a git.
It does have the property.
You did a push,
control
right?
Node, so...
Before we started.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
So I'm gonna set world map as a stop and world map menu as ignore, right?
Yes.
Let's see if that works.
Now check world map though, in case that it changed to inherit or something, but it shouldn't have. Oh no, not this one.
Nope.
The
It set as a stop.
Okay. Well, let's see if this works. Maybe it does.
We'll see if this works.
I don't know, man.
Let's see. Pain and suffering. Oh no, it crashes. Oh, script. Oh, the script, right. Script inherits from Notary, so it crashed because the script. The big extent
change it to Notary. I don't know.
Yeah.
I have no clue what's going on.
Sense control. Let's see if this works. Maybe it still crashes, I don't know. Maybe it's still gonna crash. Okay. Oh, it works! Holy shit, it works!
I told you.
Look. I'm gonna show it on screen. Look!
It works.
I hit the window. Look at that!
It does
works! Whoa! You can still press the buttons!
Yes. Now, can you put the dungeon paper thingy and see if it works?
Yep, I'm gonna try. That's the next thing I'm gonna try to do.
What is more painful, programming the game or Dokapon? Miles away. Dokapon. It's far more
From what
boring.
I've heard, yeah. Dokapon.
Storyboarding? No, we are. I'm trying to debug right now on Yomi's screen, but
oh, REST resources.
I was just doing.
Yeah, Aleph was helping out with these, but he's doing concept arts today.
I'm doing concept.
The brown thing at the bottom of the map, something like a crater. Yep, you got that right.
Indeed.
It is kind of like a crater, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There are multiple craters in the map and things. Some interesting things. All right, so
yeah, put in the dungeon paper in case we can see if it works or not.
The what?
The dungeon info thing. Put it on and test it.
That's what I was gonna like program in this script. I made another script that is gonna manage the entire the movement, and it's only in the image of the map. And then there's another script that is the one to call the map. This one, call world map. This one doesn't work yet. Maybe we won't need this one because for now it's being called from main.
Yeah, this shouldn't. Well, this could be in main. I think it's okay if it's in main. I don't think it's bad if it's in main. Oh, you mean the script being in main? No, the script being in main is. Oh, it's an input, right?
It just opens the map, so we can.
Yeah, I think it's okay then. That's how the menu works. It's all
right. We'll figure out how to open
what the fuck is going on with your connection?
Yeah, I don't know what's happening with my connection. It's going crazy. Is the stream dying, guys? Let me know.
I think it stops from time to time, but
it disconnected a moment ago, so yeah. I think it's not working very well right now.
It is not working verily.
Yeah.
Very well, I would say. But
indeed, coding is gonna make us go insane.
Alas.
It is inevitable.
Alas, it do be like that.
This is what coding does to game devs. Oops. It melts our brain. I died a couple times, but nothing crazy. Okay, good. That's good to hear. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to format menu. And instead of print, send help, which is just something that's going to be happening all the time, so it should be in process. So we're gonna need various things here. I'm gonna need references to all the things from Walmart menu. Wait, where was this script? They put this script in the wrong place.
Did you?
I thought I had put it in Walmart menu, but it's not in Walmart menu. That script. Yeah, Walmart menu. Maybe because I haven't saved it yet. I don't know.
Probably.
It is saved though. It should be attached. Is it only attached in the one in main? Am I dumb? Oh yeah, I'm dumb. I only put it in the one in main.
It to be like that.
Anyway, let's attach it here. Yeah. I think it should be this one. The Walmart menu would be the same, right?
The what?
Yeah, it's this one. Okay.
Foggy area? No, stone mixed with the material here.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna need a bunch of references to the different parts that can be changed. So one of the things is gonna be one is gonna be dungeon info. And this one is I'm gonna grab the path. Hey, wait. This.
Okay.
What was this? I think I'm forgetting something.
You're forgetting something.
I'm forgetting something.
What are you forgetting?
I'm forgetting how to assign nodes. Am I missing the already?
What do you mean assign nodes?
Shouldn't be a problem. What if I set it as already? Now it works. Okay, I guess that works. It just lags a little. I think it lags a little, especially when I'm testing the game. I've seen that work
you need
a
a
little
new
bit more
PC.
slowly.
I don't care
It's
what you
only
say.
a stream. The computer doesn't lag. Okay, it's just a stream.
if the stream is lagging, is because the computer is lagging, Yomi. It is how that works.
Computer is fine. Don't worry about it.
I do worry about it.
So we also need another one of these. That is going to be the dungeon list. So because this way we can grab these directly and just hide them or show them as we need. So after that, we need some items from inside of these, namely the labels. So the paper, we need the description. Label. Maybe I'm doing this the hard way. I don't know.
I think you're doing this the hard
Maybe,
way.
yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm making references to all the things that need to be edited, so we don't just I don't know.
What? What? No.
So we don't have to write the path every time.
Oh. Wait, what the?
You know?
Label? What? Wait.
What?
Go out. Go to the label thing. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm grabbing this label.
See already. Label.
I'm grabbing this label.
You know you don't do it. Like, get that label out of there. You don't need that.
I need that label. What the hell are you talking about?
No, you do not need to put the word label or control. You don't need the node word.
Fine. Then I guess
You don't
I'll
need
remove it.
Yeah, you don't need it.
Okay.
Imagine we have to change it in the future, the type of node that it is. You see, you don't need it.
We just said it like this? Okay.
Yeah, you can do that.
I remember giving errors sometimes.
It shouldn't. You're just putting the node path there.
Wait. Alright. Because it doesn't need already then. It can just like, because with already you need the type of node, but if you don't put already, you don't need the type of node. That's why it was giving error. I forgot about that. So and then
if you need it already, well, which you don't, you just need to put the names and then on function ready assign the variables the node path. But I don't think you need to do that.
Now it's giving error.
Using the value we want to return in the send before ready. There we go.
Yep.
You need to do that on ready. So
we need to put it on ready.
But what you can do right now is just copy this and put it in ready, and that's gonna be.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah. I'll be right back in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Give me a moment. I'll be right back in a second, guys. BRB. Just a moment.
Don't worry, I'll take care of this script. It will all be fine. I'm totally not gonna break the script completely. Either by accident or on purpose. So now that we've got these things, I guess the photo we're also gonna need. The photo for now doesn't really matter much. Don't worry about it. Aleph will be fine. He's gonna be fine. So, when this first button is pressed, what we need to do is make a signal here. Able to node. So, button press. We connect these to. I'm guessing it should have to be wall on menu, which shows up here. When dungeon 0 is pressed, things are gonna happen here. For example, wait, dungeon list and dungeon import just the windows. So when this is pressed, dungeon list is gonna hide. And then dungeon info is gonna show. And then before that, I wonder if we can put the information before we show it. For example, dungeon name. I'm guessing it was text. And dungeon name, this would be text. And then here we write, this is dungeon 0. Wait, no. This should just be Dungeon Zero. Dungeon Zero. And then we take description. This is Dungeon Zero. No, 9, no, not 9. And then for now, the bottom, we're not gonna touch it. So we need to do another thing. There's this button that is called close page. We're gonna also connect it to world map menu, because this way on close page pressed, when that button is pressed, we're gonna hide dungeon info, and we're gonna show dungeon list. So I think with this, we should be able to click one of the buttons, make the dungeon info show, and then make it hide when we press the cross to close it. We'll see if it crashes or not. Yeah, Aleph's point of view is way less destructive. It's a lot more chill. So, if we press dungeon 0, it crashes. Great! The existent function text invades label, so text doesn't exist. What do you mean text doesn't exist? What do you mean text doesn't exist? That's not true. Text is right there. It exists. It exists. See? There's text. Why doesn't it work? I'm gonna go to the pause menu and check how it's done there. So, how do we change the text? See? These things have text. Ah. But it shows up in a different blue. That's weird. Why is it different? I don't know. The game crashed, we cry, yeah. This is real dire situations. Yeah, this text is not, because this is calling it as a function. I think it should be different. I think we maybe don't need the parentheses. How is the text set here? It is set without parentheses. The parentheses are what's breaking it. It should just be like this. I'm dumb. It was interpreting it as a function. I forgot about that. There we go. This should work. I haven't programmed consistently in a long time. When it crashes, I'll have the crying emoji ready. Yeah, we're gonna need it a lot. This was a dumb mistake, though. I was writing it the wrong way. Oh wait, it's not showing the... Here we go. Look at that! It works! It says Dungeon 0, and this is Dungeon 0, and it works! So what happens if we close it? It works! Look at that. Yippee! Okay, let's do the other ones. Programming is fun, they said 3 days later. I just need to go insane. So true. Yo, Daimanis, ¿qué tal? Estamos sufriendo con programación hoy. Pero acaba de funcionar lo que acabo de hacer. Lo he logrado. Y te doy la bienvenida al stream. Estoy con Aleph haciendo un juego. Aleph se ha ido un momento, pero volverá. Y estamos trabajando en un juego poquito a poco. Lento, pero seguro. A ver. Vamos a conectar este también con World Map Menu. A miracle. This was a miracle. So we're gonna do the same here. Salud. Lo siento, no suelo decir como. Siempre que me dicen, puedes decir tal, no me gusta hacer, no me gusta que me obliguen a decir cosas, así que lo siento mucho. No sé qué es eso.
Hello, I'm back.
Hello! Aleph, it works! I made it work!
Oh, what did you do?
I made it so when you press one of the buttons, it shows the information of that dungeon, and then you can close it, and it goes back to the dungeon list.
Oh, how did you do it? Show me.
Yep, I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna set dungeon 2 as well.
So this is the other POV. It's way less brain destructive. It's alright, it depends.
It's a lot more chill. It's a chill art stream over there.
Well.
Okay, now this should work for all 3 buttons.
How did you do it? Okay.
I'll show you how it works and then I'll explain.
Yes, please.
With Monday rules around skill, but coding is about memory. Well, coding is also a lot about Googling how to do this and then getting the answer. It's a lot about Googling.
Coding is absolutely about Googling.
It is all about Googling. Muchas gracias. Me alegra que te guste mi modelo. Yeah. Disfruta tu juego. So, the way this works. So, there's these 3 buttons. Now, we can move these also.
Right.
So, Dungeon 0, if we press it, it shows the information saying Dungeon 0, and this is Dungeon 0.
Okay, and it disappears, right? Yes.
And then the list disappears. So, when we close it, the list appears again.
Right.
And then we can click Dungeon 1, and it shows this is Dungeon 1.
Okay.
So, we close it, then we click Dungeon 2, and it says this is Dungeon 2.
Okay, so we have to... I mean, I don't mind hard coding the dungeons this way because we're gonna have the tabs going to the... What's it called? The compendium or whatever. So I think doing it is like fine. Very well done. I'll put animations later.
Works.
It works.
Yeah, animations are gonna be... they are gonna add a lot.
Don't worry, I'll put the animations. It's just twins and stuff. So it's gonna be, gonna be fun. What we can do now, though... I think we're gonna need I guess I could... What should we do now? Because I could do the twin thing myself, you know, the move things and all that stuff. I don't mind doing that, but I think we... Like, now that this works, which is very good...
There's still a lot more to do, though, around here in the map.
What do you need?
I want to make 2 more photos to make the photo change in the image, the dungeon.
The what?
And the photo that shows up as the illustration.
Yes.
I want to try to make that change as well, and also try to make it so you can't move the map, and also so that the position centers.
Okay, so
yeah.
To do that, this is how I do with the normal menu. You're gonna get the control node, and put it all over the screen.
Yay!
So this, I call it a blocker, right? You need to put like a blocker between dungeon info and the map.
Okay.
And so you need to put it under dungeon info, right?
Right.
Because
so it should be also under dungeon list, right?
Yes. So the idea would be if it's a sandwich, right? First layer is gonna be dungeon list. Dungeon info, right?
Oh, wait. Actually, no. It should be between dungeon list and dungeon info because when there's dungeon list, we need to be able to move the map.
Oh no! Don't worry. Let me finish, right? So the idea is once you click to a dungeon, right? It moves the map, blah blah blah. Dungeon info appears, right?
Yeah.
And the screen blocker blocks the map.
Right.
But only the map. So what we have to do here, right, is if it's a sandwich, it goes dungeon info, right? The papers. Then goes the screen. It's the only way I can explain it, so I don't know.
Yeah, it makes sense. We just put it in between so everything below can be clicked.
Exactly.
Right.
And exactly. It's just a control node that has the stop property in mouse. And basically does everything. The only thing you have to do is you press the button for the dungeon, right? You will just put you will just make it hide or show, basically. You will make it hide or show.
Screen. There we go.
Yeah, and now once
we've got the blocker, so it needs to have the stop property. It has the stop property.
Okay, now go to script.
Now we go to script.
Yes.
I guess we need to put it in the variables.
Yes, you need to put it here too. Yes.
So, bar blocker.
It was a pizza instead of a sandwich. Stick, we don't complicate things.
Pizza.
Did you eat? Yes, I just went to eat an afternoon snack. My mom made some crepes, so I was like, oh, okay.
Crepes. Aproveche.
Hay aprovechado.
Yeah. Pues muy linda, gracias. Me alegra escuchar eso.
And now you're just gonna play with hide and show.
Yep.
So you're gonna show it when you're inside the dungeon list, dungeon info menu, and when you get out of that menu, when you press the X, it's gonna hide.
I'm thinking how this could maybe be optimized in
some way. Put it into a different make a function called hide blocker, right? And just put the hide and show, and then you put it into the buttons.
Yeah, maybe I know that's true. There's a better way to do this.
Really?
So, we're gonna make a function called does it need to have the underscore?
No, you can name it whatever you want.
So we're gonna name this hide and show, maybe?
I don't think you need to complicate it that much. I think you just
wait. You'll see.
Okay.
You'll see what I'm trying to do.
I don't think we're gonna repeat a lot of code to make it like disappear or anything.
No, but it's also to include the dungeon list hide and dungeon info show. This way, we put this here. We also put blocker show, and this way, all we need to do is change the text in the button.
Yes, but then you're gonna have a problem here.
And then this is gonna be way shorter. What? What's the problem, Aleph?
What is the function when you close the dungeon list?
This one. On close page pressed.
Blocker
dungeon info hide. Blocker hide and dungeon list show.
Okay, that's perfect then. Then that's gonna work. Yeah.
Yeah.
Test it, see how it works. Well, you're gonna have to put the thing, but yeah.
Yep, I'll put it now. Yo, officer, welcome.
Hello.
How's it going?
Hello, hello.
We're doing the programming today. This Spain.
It is Spain.
Okay, this should work. Let's test it. Let's see. Yay.
Okay.
So, oh, because the blocker is the blocker was shown. No.
Yeah, you need. Yeah, just hide it. Yeah.
I forgot to hide it.
Yeah, you need to hide that stuff. It happens a lot to me too. It does happen.
Let's see.
What the fuck is this? Oh, did I miss this for some reason?
There we go. Now this works. I'm gonna try to do another thing. I'm gonna try to make it so you can only move the map to the limits of the viewport.
Right.
Because right now this happens. You can just throw the map out of the viewport, and that's not it,
we need to block it, like the edge of the maps with.
I messed it up.
Yes, you did. That's why. That is why we need to block it.
Yeah, this is the problem. I think I'm also gonna do it so you can't open the pause menu while on the map, and you can open the map while on the pause menu, just in case, just to avoid problems.
Yes, we should do that.
I'm gonna add some booleans for that.
Le boolean.
Oh god, I'll do it over here.
Whoa. I wanted to delete some layers and I duplicated them instead because I'm dumb.
So, first menu.
Is it this? Ooh,
let's go to the pause menu. Where was there was one place where this was.
Okay, it's this one.
It was in main. It's in main. It's just in main. Oh, it's in states. I'm gonna put it in states then.
Yeah.
So in states, I'm gonna make another variable in world map. It's gonna start as false. And then in main, since it's the place that opens the pause menu for some reason,
no, but it should be in main.
Yeah. We're gonna add another condition here. In world map, if in world map is false, it's gonna be able to pause and show the pause menu. And here,
I think this works.
if states in main menu. Wait, I'm just gonna do the same. This could be more or less something.
Let me. Hola, Jaju. What's up?
Yoko Jaju, welcome.
Jaju.
How's it going? ¿Qué tal estás?
¿Qué tal? Oh, the Wii music stopped. Okay, there we go.
It was no longer wee.
It was no longer weeing.
It went woo.
Jesus. Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo.
Wee wee. Okay, now this should no longer. Wait, we're missing something here. States. I know, not states. States in world map is now true. We'll put it at the end of this. States in world map here is true. And I don't remember where I put the thing to close the menu. I think it was here in Gold World Map, but I think we're not gonna need this script. We're not just gonna put it all in main. Because although it's so we can close the map with M also. Wait. World map is true. We're just gonna. What does unpause do exactly? It hides the pause menu. I'm just gonna do whatever. I'll put the same 3 things. There we go.
If you leave Torre Pálida out in the sun, it will become Torre Morena.
Torre Morena!
Mayhaps.
Maybe yes.
Maybe yes, perchance.
It is a very pale tower.
I mean,
it's definitely gonna get a tan at some point.
We do call it pale tower in English.
Yeah.
How would it be in Catalan? Because we want to translate the name in Catalan. So
Torre Pálida.
Torre Pálida works, I guess.
Yeah, it's the same. Tengo bachillerato en ingeniería de computadores y a mí no me gusta code. Muy comprensible, muy comprensible. Yo me gradué en videojuegos. Igual, tampoco me gusta programar, pero...
Oh, la.
It is what it is.
It is what it is, so true.
Yeah. Ni siquiera un certificado de gamer va a hacer que me guste la programación. What?
What?
States in world map. Why does it... Invalid set index on base node state GD with value type bool. Why?
I have no clue what that means.
Those
words mean nothing to me.
Yeah, those words also mean nothing to me. I don't know what this is on about. What's you on about? It's the same as the others. What's the problem, Goro?
Brother, I should
literally the same as the others.
I should really rename the layers. I swear to fucking God.
Yeah. It is what it is, pero mi profesión ahora es engineer software, que es probar software y componentes. Entonces, si quieras o no, tienes que acostumbrarte a programar. Mucha suerte. Oh. You know what the error was?
What?
One of the letters was in caps.
Mm-hmm.
I hate programming. This is the dumbest thing ever.
To be like that.
Había una unidad de error y era que una letra estaba en mayúsculas cuando no debía. Terrible. Muy terrible. Oh, no tienes que programar. Entonces, perfecto. Bueno, sí, si tienes que simplemente probar software, es verdad. No te hará falta programar. Es más como testear, ¿no? There we go. Ahora sí.
Bueno, testear es programar.
Bueno, testear es intentar romper el programa.
Well, yeah. What were you doing? Oh, limiting it to the viewport.
Yeah, right now what I was doing was make it so it can also be hidden.
Oh, okay.
And so the pause menu doesn't
okay. I was gonna say, because if we do, you know, for some locations,
it works.
Nice.
Now I can open the two at the same time. Yay!
So for the viewport thing, right?
We're
gonna have a problem, and I think I have a way to address it. Remember how we have some of the locations which are very like on the corners?
You're right. Right, it's gonna be a bit of a problem to... Well, that will only be a problem if we don't add margins to the image. I think the image should be bigger than it is right now.
We can do something... I mean, yeah, the image should be like much bigger, and the idea would be... we could make like a fade to black or something like that. Or like put you know the old maps where you put decorations to kind of like Garlemald being blocked off by clouds and stuff like that.
Right? Yeah, that's a good idea.
We can do it like that and just move it, but just as a reminder that we are gonna go to far corners of the map, and I don't think it's a problem of we don't have to dodge anything about the viewport or anything. We just need to be mindful that the map is gonna move enough, and it needs to be bigger than the map itself.
Yeah, it just needs to cover enough of the screen. Exactly. But we also need to put limits to how much it can be moved, because look, no matter how big the map is, as long as I keep moving it, it can keep moving. It can get out of the screen.
Oh, okay, so we need to limit the viewport, but considering that the map is already gonna be like much bigger.
Yep, exactly.
Okay, gotcha.
So I have an idea how to do it without having to use specific numbers. Because we can just grab the image and put like use the height as reference, height and width, I guess.
Yeah.
I think.
I mean, we could test it. We could make the image much larger than it already is, and just Yep. So we can start working on it, but. Mi hermana tiene un programa que le avisa de estos errores tontos para no perder el tiempo. ¡Oh!
Mucho más útil, ojalá.
Me gustaría usar eso en Godot. No te voy a mentir. Eso sería muy útil en Godot.
What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna do 2 different versions of the photos in different colors. I'm just gonna do it really fast with Paint Tools Eye.
Yeah. I don't know if you should have open Godot and Paint Tools at the same time that's streaming.
Yeah, it is fine. My computer is not so bad. Come on.
It is kind of bad.
It is not that bad.
It is really bad.
What has my computer ever done to you, Aleph?
Yomi, you need a new computer.
Why are you underestimating my computer like that, huh? Why?
I'm not underestimating. I'm just saying.
You think my computer is weak?
Yes, it is.
No, it is not.
It is.
My computer is strong. Strongest computer ever.
I don't think so.
Yep, it is.
I don't think it's very strong at all.
Okay, I got 2 more photos. So now we're gonna grab the illustrations. Why is it here? Assets. World map. Need to know how much RAM you have. I have 12 gigabytes of RAM. See, not so bad. I have to agree with Aleph on this one. Come on, guys. You know how strong my computer is.
It's not that strong.
You know it.
It's not that strong.
You need to believe. See, my computer is like...
You try to
do...
You're trying to run 14. You're trying to run 14 on a toaster.
You know, like those gods that the more you believe in them, the more powerful they become. My computer is like that.
No.
The more you believe in...
Doesn't work like that.
It does. Not strong enough to run a 3D RPG Maker game. Come on, it's not every day you find an RPG Maker game that is 3D. It was only one time. It doesn't happen often. It can run all of the RPG Maker games perfectly. It was just an exception. RPG Maker is not made to make 3D games.
And your PC is not meant to run Final Fantasy XIV, so...
But it does, and it does it perfectly.
I don't think so.
It runs at like 30 FPS.
Yeah, but then you try and share screen it in Discord and it just shits itself a little bit.
It does its best. Maybe it gets a little bit of lag, but it's not so bad.
Sure.
Just a tiny bit of lag.
Just a tiny bit of lag. You were afraid when they dropped that Limbus update that they were saying like, hey, we're gonna need more RAM for the game. You were actually scared you weren't gonna be able to play Limbus anymore.
That was... I mean, they made it sound way scarier than it was.
Honestly, that's actually fair. That's true. They made it
always
really scary.
It sounds scarier than it is.
It wasn't that scary, I suppose.
It's the same with the benchmark of Final Fantasy XIV. When I ran the benchmark, the result was like, oh no, it is very low results. Your computer is gonna explode. And then it runs perfectly. I don't know.
They were kind of right on it.
No, they were not.
Mm-hmm.
They were not.
Yeah. They were right.
No. They were fine. So, wait. So how is this? This should be texture, right?
Oops, sorry. Texture? What texture?
To assign a texture to the photo. I guess
yes.
Should be...
It's a texture and then you take the path.
Yep. Copy path.
Whoa, wait. You can look up in the status menu how I did it, because I do remember that you have to do something. I think you have to load the texture first with a load. I don't remember. It's in main, or is it? I don't know.
I think it was in here in
status menu.
Yeah, look at that. It's with a load.
It's with a load, yeah.
Load.
I do remember it was something like that. I'm just warning you because I had a lot of pain with
that
part. I was like, it's not working at all. It is not working. It sucks.
Load. Okay. Oh, it showed up a bit smaller. Exactly. The computer is doing its best. You should all cheer for it instead of saying, "Ooh, this computer sucks." How do you think my computer is gonna feel?
I don't think your
computer's gonna be like, no, even though I'm doing my best, everyone hates me.
I don't think your computer feels.
How do you know? How do you know that?
Here, fill code.
Have you ever asked my computer?
I don't know if I should now. Maybe I should, I don't know.
Okay, I think this should work now. So these streams will be members only? No, not the DimGrave ones. When I said about the membership streams, I mentioned only the ones of my solo projects, but I said the DimGrave streams will still be public, so... The thing is, since Aleph is also streaming his side, it wouldn't make sense to have my side of the stream on a member stream, but Aleph's stream still public. It wouldn't make sense. So the DimGrave streams are still public, yeah. That's why I clarified it in the posts. Okay, this should work. Let's see if the photo changes. And after that, I'm gonna try to do the viewport limits. Let's see. Also, Yoko Paper, welcome! How are you doing? Look at that! Ta-ta!
Oh, yep. Give me a second. Trying to...
So, Dungeon 0 shows up this image. Dungeon 1 is this other image.
Right.
It works! Changes the photo accordingly.
Nice. That's with the texture, right? Would you change
the... Yep, it's with the texture.
Nice. Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, perfect. Nice. Good job.
Nice. Wee. This is Godot, right? Yep. It is.
That is Godot, indeed.
It is indeed Godot.
It is indeed Godot.
You'll be hoping for our PC to become a yokai. That would be cool. That would be super cool. It still needs like 90 more years for that or so. Because objects gain life when they are like 100 years old. This computer is about... How old is it? 5 years old or so? It's only 5 years old. Come on, that's nothing. This is a baby computer. This is literally a baby computer.
It's not 5 years old on the current scope of electronics. It's actually...
Well, that's their problem. That's the electronics problem.
How's your pressure line in the program? What do you mean? In the... Can I check that on? I don't know. It's up the default, I imagine. I haven't touched it.
So...
I haven't really touched it, so...
I'm gonna try to do it like this.
I'm someone who presses really hard though, so... And also, my... creo que está en file y yendo para abajo al menos a ver si no... Ok. File y yendo hacia abajo... Oh, pen pressure settings.
How should these
While drawing, intentionally vary your press as you would normally while drawing. Okay.
Right. I don't remember exactly how to do this. I know I've done this before, but I don't remember how to put the limits. It was something with the height and width of the texture. I will make a bar map sprite.
Check my DM on Discord. Okay, thank you. Give me a second. Para no cargar la mano, es que se ve así. Ajustar presión del lápiz, ok.
Or maybe this collision shape.
There we go.
An idea how to do this? And it might be a little bit stupid. I think it would be a very bad idea.
What?
So, hear me out. Hear me out on this. What if we put some collisions outside of the viewport?
No! Are you insane?
You know, you move this, and if it finds a collider, it won't be able to move anymore.
Look at how it makes you more comfortable. I'm just trying to see how this works.
I'm gonna try.
I mean, try it, sure.
Wait. It should have wait, should be another area to the...
Yeah, I don't really like it. Reset to default. Oh no, check adjusted settings.
Oh my god, this is gonna be horrible, but I need to try.
I don't know how it was before. It was...
Let's get the collision shape to be... I don't know, let's put the rectangle somewhere up here. Let's take this rectangle and put it, for example... Something like over here. Should be more or less this height. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4. This is gonna be insane behavior. But maybe I'm cooking. Maybe I'm onto something. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna put this here.
Doesn't it feel more comfortable? I think the line was too hard. Like the line change was too hard. I think I like this more. This.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn on the lights.
Yeah. Because I'm someone who presses very hard and I don't have a lot of... I apply a lot of pressure to the pen, so the problem is I just need to do a little bit, and I usually, this is my level, right? So
I'm back. I'm ready to mess this up.
So I think this is more comfortable. You're going to break my arm. It's okay, I got a good position. And I don't do it for a lot of hours. Trust me, when my arm starts to hurt, I stop. Because I know when to I know when to stop in this case. When I draw if something hurts, I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, it's important to stop if you feel something hurting. It's definitely not a good sign.
You're not a good person to say that.
But I mean, doesn't make it any less true, but it's just something I should also do, but...
Yes, you should. But yeah, you don't have to worry. If something hurts, I do stop trying to do what I was doing. Because you never know, right? So it could be way worse of something happening than it could be.
Yep.
So you never know.
I'm gonna try with this and see if it works.
Look, if it works, it will work. That's good.
We're gonna have to move these colliders later on to fit the rest of the map if it works, but
I'll leave that to you.
Okay. Let's see how this goes. I think it's gonna make something crash.
Oh, it shouldn't.
Oh, it's not moving anymore. Yeah, maybe it's not a good idea. Never mind.
I think there must be a more elegant solution to what you were trying.
Yep. There definitely has to be. There has to be one way. Wait, why is this giving error now? I love how the debug is just all send help. Why is this giving errors now? Oh. Oh, wait! It wasn't working because this was not indented, not because it didn't work. Let's just try something else then. So there has to be a way. I'm gonna Google it. Let's see.
What are you gonna Google?
Drag UI element with reads. Camera drag margins with UI. Maybe it's that. Kind of lost with it, so maybe I'll leave it for some other time and some other like more detailed tutorials, because right now it's difficult to start watching YouTube tutorials.
Yeah.
Midstream.
Yeah.
Let's
try to come up with a solution if you can, but if not, it's okay. We'll check it out later.
So what other things need to be done in this?
The menu layers.
I could try to figure out. I could try to figure out how to make it appear in the door when you try to exit the tower. Or also maybe like setting the different points for the.
We are gonna need an icon for the.
That's gonna
points. But it's actually not points, it's actually buttons. Because if you press the button, you should also be able to.
True. That's true. They would also be buttons.
Yes. Yes, they should.
Hmm.
Which, you know, Bex, I thought that what we were gonna do is we would put the buttons on the left, the dungeon 1, 2, 3, that list, would also change the panorama of the map. If I remember correctly what we wanted to do.
Like, the thing is, I think we were gonna have both the list of dungeons and also the different buttons across the map that you can press, and then it makes the dungeon info appear.
Right.
It's gonna be way easier also if we have the buttons in each place, because we can also use those buttons to center the map.
I mean, regardless, it's gonna center the map, even if you if you click the other one.
But of course, we're gonna have the buttons as like a point of reference to get the specific point that we need to center.
Yes.
Yep. Well, at least that's some ideas.
Use texture buttons, not normal buttons.
Yep. I'm gonna try. Thing is, right now, I'm not sure if I would be able to make it so I can center them.
No, I can do that. I can do that with twins. Yeah. It's okay.
I'm thinking maybe the other thing I can do is start also preparing the base for the shop.
Yeah.
I could try to do that. Either that or making the map appear when you try to exit the tower.
I think that we should leave for later when we have clear how we do the system for moving characters outside of the player's control.
Yeah.
I think that we can leave for now and we just keep it simple.
Yeah, for now, as long as we can test the map itself with pressing M.
I mean, as long as it works, right? For now, at
yeah.
least.
I'll make another key to open the shop. Let's see.
Another key? You should really look how the actionables work.
Yeah, that's the thing. For the actionables thing, that's what we're gonna have to check when we look at how to make the character exit the tower and then make the menu appear.
Oh, no.
The world map appear.
No, what I was talking about the actionables was we're gonna need them for the shop too, so we need to figure out a way.
Yeah, but in the end it's the same. It boils down to the same. You press a button and then a menu appears.
No, but that's not what I mean. What I mean, one thing that we cannot do now for exit and enter the tower, right? It's the fact that we need the system to move physically the character in and out when you get to the borders of us.
That doesn't matter right now. For
I know, the character, but we need to figure out a way how the actionables work.
Yeah. But I mean, the moving the character outside, seeing the character walk outside, that's just flavor. What we need right now is the functionality of the character going to the door and making the menu appear. And that's essentially the same as walking to a shop, pressing a button, and having the shop menu appear. It is the same. Okay. Press button, menu opens. So it boils down to the same thing. So we're gonna use the actionables for that. We need to figure out a way so they don't work only for the dialogues. Yep. Some other sort of actionables that work for menus or something.
I'll figure it out later then.
Yeah. I'll still try to make the kind of base for the shop. This way we can show the assets that we have for that.
Yeah, sure.
They're kind of provisional, but it is something new at least.
Did I animate this? I did animate the sprite, right? I think.
Yeah, you did. Okay. I don't know if I have the animated sprite though. So.
But I give it to you in.
Ow.
I gave it to you in sprite form, right? Or I didn't? I don't remember.
I don't think so. At least I don't have it in shops. I've got it only in separated sprites, but not in a sprite sheet.
In separate? Oh, not in a sprite sheet.
Yep.
If you give me, you can start mounting it when you need me. I'll try to make it a sprite sheet.
Wait, I need to fix the assets a little bit.
Because I kind of want to finish this, so.
Yeah. Read the background, the desk. The character sprite is not final, also, so.
Nothing we do is final.
Nothing we do is final. Nothing's gonna be final for a long time. It can always improve more.
That's the magic.
See. Save these. All right, I'm gonna import the things. So, maps, not here. I'm checking to see if there's already a folder with the shop things in it, but it doesn't seem like it.
No, you can put them in a folder then.
Yeah, there's only the outside sprites of the shops. I'll make a folder. Should I make it in UI elements?
Sure.
Yeah. Create new folder. Shops. Gonna give it a name. And now we're gonna import. For now, I'll put it without the sprite, but
yeah,
the animated sprite.
Yeah, that works. I'll try and set it up later then.
Okay.
That's
For
okay.
now, the background. I'm gonna check how the background was. This is just a texture rack.
The texture rect.
Texture rack. So this texture rack is gonna be in their screen, and it's gonna be the background. Ta-da! There we go. That's the background. First time that I show it, I think. Yeah.
The blacksmith?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Here it is. Done. Probably gonna be improved at some point. I feel like it can still be improved. It's gonna be background. Now we're gonna add other things. I think it can all be texture tracks, right?
Yes. Can all be texture
Save it, shop.
except Tina, that should be a sprite maybe, or depends if she's gonna move or not. So
can you use animations on control nodes?
No, you need to make it a 2D sprite.
Okay, then it's gonna have to be sprite. Let's set sprite 2D for now. For now, she only needs to be a sprite 2D.
Yeah, I think so.
Ta-da! There she is. She's floating. Oh no, she doesn't have legs. It's fine. No one will know because there's gonna be a desk in front. This needs to be. No siento las piernas. Ella tampoco.
How does this look from afar? I think it looks okay-ish.
Y ya tiene que estar. Y no. Ahí está. There we go. Now, it's all fine. No one will know that she doesn't have legs. Ahora nadie sabrá que no tiene piernas.
We know.
Okay, it's gonna be this. We're gonna 9-patch rect for the side menu works, right? I think
9-patch rect.
Yeah.
It should, yes.
Yeah.
It should work.
Wait, I'll add first. What's it called? There's this margin container, perhaps. But no, it's not necessary a margin container. It can just be a node with all the things. I'll make it one big control node with all the functional stuff.
Because that didn't fuck us over in the past.
Yeah, totally not. Don't you miss the what was it called? That thing that kept moving all the assets to one corner?
Oh, I loved it.
Yeah. What was that called?
I don't know. I literally don't know.
I don't remember either. It's like something in my mind is blocking it. So look, it's just getting she pretty. Yeah, thank you. I think her design was one of the favorites among the people that we asked for feedback with the designs.
Tina.
Yeah.
Yeah. People liked her a lot.
I love her design a lot.
Understandably
I'm super proud
so,
of it.
yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. It's gonna be left side menu or shop menu. It is a shop screen, yup. So it's gonna be I'm just gonna make it a texture, right? So here there's gonna be the shop panel. And there's this signboard.
Mm-hmm.
The signboard goes up there. Just need to center it. You can even see the letters in the game's language here. Now you know what these letters are.
Indeed. That's gonna be a thing for later.
Yeah.
If you translate things, you might get foreshadowing. Mayhaps.
You might get some secrets.
Some secrets.
You might put some secrets in these letters.
I was thinking today, I like foreshadowing a lot. I like people trying to piece things together, so I want to rely a lot on foreshadowing for the story in some parts.
I mean, it is important to foreshadow things.
Yeah.
Now we put the board here.
This thing is a resource a lot of people don't. You know what the problem with foreshadowing is?
What?
It relies on people's reading comprehension.
Yeah, that fails a lot sometimes.
That it does.
Let's see. So for now, these things are where they should be. I have put all the assets that I have right now. There's a little animation for the furnace in the back, but I'm gonna wait until Aleph can send it. But meanwhile, I've got the file with the... Oh wait, I'm missing something, in fact. I'm missing one little thing.
What you missing?
The shop text box. Because there's gonna be a text box here.
It looks flat as fuck, but that's okay. Oh, not... I mean what I'm doing.
Flat wall... It's Flat Wall Friday!
What the fuck? What?
It's Flat Rock Friday!
It's Flat Rock Friday, sure. That it is, but I think it works. Kinda.
There we go. So there's these over here.
I think we're gonna be using this one. I like it.
Is it in place? Yes.
Totally, I didn't steal from Full Metal Alchemist.
Oh my god. There's the name box.
I mean, we do kinda need to make homage to Full Metal
Yeah,
Alchemist in some way.
the OGs.
The OGs.
Probably we wouldn't know a lot about alchemy if we hadn't watched Full Metal Alchemist.
No, because when they talk about Ramon Llull in school, it's for the boring stuff. They don't tell you about
yeah, they don't tell about the alchemy part or the fun stuff.
I mean,
the magic circles.
To be fair, he didn't speak about alchemy, but you know.
Yeah. But at least the magic circles, man. Box. Wait, this should be... I'm gonna make this another control node. This should be dialog box. And name box. This name box is not the one I'm looking for. There was another one. Is it this one? Is it this one? Huh. $103.40. I'm gonna resave the text box.
How does this look from afar?
Looks fine. Looks like it's deteriorating.
The idea would be that it's growing like aggressive.
Yeah,
that it grew
it's like,
aggressively.
Like it's mixing the two different kinds of rock.
Yeah, I tried to do one that was very like this one. No, not this one. This one. No. Here. This one, which is very like smooth. This is more like a smooth transition from Omnisilica to stone, right?
Yeah.
Which is kind of like what I did in the concept art, the first one I did. And this one would be an aggressive one. Like, let's say somebody wanted
like there's a lot more contrast, yeah.
Yeah, it's like it's growing aggressively.
Wait, there's a static? Wait, let me check if the microphone is messing up.
I can hear you well.
Ooh. Yeah, it's probably on my end. Is it okay now?
I can hear you well. I don't know. I mean, give me a moment. I will hear you from my side.
Just in case.
I mean, give me a moment. I will hear you from my side. Talk.
Hello. Is there static while I'm talking? Test. Is there static while I'm talking? Test.
I don't hear it.
Hopefully.
I don't hear anything.
Hopefully it's not. It's not my microphone failing again.
Hopefully not. I don't think it is.
Okay. I saved another version of the name box, so I'm gonna import it. It's just the name box.
Oh, man, I woke up to die. To die? Yes.
You woke up to die.
I wake up dying. That's for sure.
Oh no.
My back hurt a lot. Like actually a lot.
Oh no, are you?
I woke up and I was like, oh, and now I just like readjusted my back and I was like, oh yeah, I forgot. Oh.
You okay now?
I'm fine.
Good.
Oh, and it's like in the middle, right? Of the what's it called, los omoplatos. You know, it's a pain in the ass.
That's pain. It's kind of funny. You woke up to die.
I woke up to die. Yeah.
Sparta woke up to justice. Aleph woke up to die.
I woke up to die.
Okay. The text box like this should be fine. I guess we're gonna use stuff about the dialogue here, so I'm not gonna touch it for now.
I don't think we're gonna use dialogic here though.
Nah, it's probably gonna be more hard-coded.
That's fine though.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine. But the other things, I'm gonna set up the buttons of the shop. Let's see. So the main thing would be 4 different buttons. I'm gonna set them as like normal buttons for now. Should I make them texture buttons?
MILF would go, no, it would not be like that, I think.
Of course, because she would go ara.
Ara. Oh, it's ara. Okay, yeah, see. Yeah. It does work like that. I thought you were translating MILF stick, and I was like, I don't think MILF is like that. I think it's pretty...
Perfect. Let's see. Should I use texture buttons for these?
Yes.
Since we're probably gonna use
everything should be texture buttons, just in case.
Okay. Texture buttons it
because that way we can do the hover thing without having to program it in, you
know. True. Also, the list in the world map menu for now, I did it with normal buttons, but since it's definitely not final,
we're gonna use texture buttons, don't worry.
Yeah, we can just change it to texture buttons.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
I am not a MILF lover like you guys.
Neuron activation. I am though.
I got reminded of the old woman fetish. Do the people in Evangelion have old woman fetish?
Oh God, what? That was so stupid. That was so stupid. What the hell? These people don't know what an old woman is. Cowards. And also, what the hell is an old woman fetish? That Misata is not an old woman, even. I don't know.
I'm just gonna say, Yomi, you're the only one who knows what an old woman looks like.
I'm starting to think that's true, because nowadays people are like calling anything a hack, and that's not true.
That Aleph? No, I'm not a MILF lover. I don't like MILFs.
He's not. He's not. He's a bit of a coward.
Not a coward.
Uh-huh.
You can keep your 40, 50 years old.
Well, better for me.
Better for you. You can keep them.
Gladly.
Okay. Oh my god.
Then put it.
Yeah.
How does I can't move these now? Why?
It's Saturday, right?
No. It's Saturday, you need.
Saturday. It's Saturday, innit? That it is, my friends. It is Saturday.
It's Saturday.
It is Saturday.
Can I put text in the texture button?
No, you have to put.
No.
That's the only problem. You have to do a text.
I guess I can. Should I put maybe a text inside?
Yeah. It's how it works.
Do I put a label inside?
Yes.
For example?
Yeah. It's a label.
Okay.
That's how you do it. He's not a coward. He's a cowboy. No.
That's true. It sounds similar, but it's not the same. He's a cowboy.
I ain't no cowboy.
Yeehaw. So this would be by. Gonna put it on sizes 32. So now I guess this will have to do. This is kind of sad. But as long as it works. This would be by button. Here. This signboard can be over here. The board needs to be on top of everything.
Where's your cowboy hat? Oh shit.
Wait.
Let's check.
Cowboy hat check.
Oh, that's the cube. That's the cowboy hat. There you go. Is this what you wanted?
Cowboy hat.
Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wished for, mother? Is this what you wish? Woe is me.
At least he's not into grannies, that's something. Hey, but what's wrong with grannies? What is wrong with grannies?
There we go.
Tell me, what is wrong with grannies?
You've offended her now. Good job, people.
There are some very cool grannies, okay? Just saying.
Fools. Why would you need a granny?
Why not?
No way, the hat was real. The hat has always been real. It's an asset that it's an asset that Lamprey and Yomi actually put in my model without my consent. They don't give they don't want consent, you know.
Wow. You needed it. It was a present. Come on.
What about a howdy? Howdy.
Howdy.
Howdy, partner.
Texture button. You miss your granny. Let's see. It's a bit hard to see.
Wait, what are you doing? Let me check.
The buttons. You told me to use texture buttons.
Button by yeah, it
texture
works.
Buttons with labels.
Yeah, it does work like that.
Okay.
Put the texture first.
Yeah, the label is a child of the texture.
No. Put the texture first and then put the text. Like, leave it like this.
But I have no texture for these buttons, that's the problem.
Oh, I thought you already had the assets.
No, there's no texture for them yet.
Oh, well, then leave them like this, I guess.
Oh, wait, I know what I had to do. I need a vertical...
vertical what?
What was it? The V container.
Oh, the V container to contain
VBox container.
To contain the VTubers.
Exactly, to contain the VTubers.
Yes. Contain the VTubers.
Need to contain the bees.
I also have a toggle for Limbus that I made myself.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I have this.
The red code.
I have the red code.
Cancel.
I have Dante's red code.
Dante.
I should actually make myself a clock face asset, like a badly drawn Dante.
Yeah, it would be funny.
It would be funny.
Label.
Dante. Where are the texture for the texture buttons, Dante?
It's not placing them. It's not putting them vertically.
Go. What the fuck is this? Delete the other button.
What? Which one? This one. Is it supposed to put like... Oh wait, it is putting them in this place, but not the labels.
Exactly.
You know what? I'm gonna use a provisional asset for these. I'm gonna take whatever asset I can find of the inventory, for example.
That's the thing, right? That's
problem. Something that we can do. Menu.
Go to search button. It will show something.
Wait.
Oh, placeholder main menu. Placeholder main menu.
Placeholder main menu. Why is it called placeholder and every single final asset is there?
Shh. It's okay.
This is definitely something. There was the selector thingy, right? Inventory UI list selector. This one. Let's put it as texture normal. List selector.
There we go. See?
Texture normal.
What you can do though, does it work now? Yeah, there we go. See?
Yep. Let's see.
But the thing is that the labels. Okay, so delete the cell button.
Wait, in a second. What?
So the idea would be to delete the cell button. Both
the label too?
Yes, both of them.
Okay. Delete notes. Right.
Okay, now if you want to put them in the middle, right? The label should be in properties, go up. This is...
Wait, give me a second, because I also want to make the button a bit bigger. Let's see.
I mean, you're not gonna be able to make them bigger. Because it's a texture.
It's a texture.
So you cannot make them bigger.
We'll just make them like this provisionally.
It's okay. Yeah. Go to button and now go to go to the label.
Label.
Go up to the top on properties. Up to the top.
It's completely up right now.
Okay. Horizontal align. Center.
Vertical alignment center.
Vertical alignment. I think you can leave it at top. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Well, you can put that center too. And
yeah, it doesn't really center it completely.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's provisional. This is provisional. Yeah. This doesn't matter.
I'm just saying because if you're gonna copy the buttons and then change the thing, it's gonna be centered forever just because it's, you know.
I was gonna make them all one by one, but can I just copy paste them?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Go to paste.
4 of them.
There you go. See. But I mean, you have to first, before doing that, you have to first fix
what do I have?
You have to fix the by inside. It's not centered.
It's not necessary. It's provisional.
Okay, do whatever you want. That's fair.
This isn't even gonna have this distance. These buttons were just gonna be like the words. There isn't even gonna be a button.
Does the vertical slice we made with final license or placeholders are okay? Vertical slice, you need all the assets. For a prototype, you don't need them.
Yeah, prototype can be just squares and stuff. Everything completely provisional as long as it works. And the vertical slice, it's just a test of how the finished game should be. So we're gonna go with the prototype first to make sure that everything works.
And then polish everything for the vertical slice.
Yep. It's funny that now all the options are by. Oh,
you're gonna have to change them.
So...
I think I'm gonna do 15 more minutes and then I'm gonna... Stop for now because I'm gonna
They
have
are
to
completely off center. Huh. It doesn't matter. Trying too hard to understand what the girl is wearing, just can see a shape. It's like a... what's it called? It's like a top with a... I don't know what this is called in English.
Apron.
Kind of like an apron of sorts, but not exactly.
It is a blacksmith apron. It is.
It is. It's one of those... It's called. Very thick aprons, because it's like it's thicker than a normal apron because a normal apron would get burned and she needs to be working with like fire and stuff. Okay, these should more or less work, I guess, until we have the final things. So here the thing is...
I'll fix it later.
Yeah.
You have to put the labels to be mouse ignore. Because then they're gonna block the button.
Oh. Right.
That's why it's important having a button, and then once you finish it, you go to make the others. Oh, it's already an ignore because it's a label. Never mind.
Okay, then all is fine.
Yes. I think if you do I think there's another type of label, the ones that you can animate stuff in them with the text and stuff. Those are not ignore. Those suck. Those actually suck.
There we go. Separation. I want to make them more separate like these.
Didn't we had an asset for the buttons?
No, not for this. It was just a sketch with me writing down by cell talk on accident.
Right. We also need the craft button, right? I think.
Craft? Why?
What do you mean why? We had a whole...
There was no crafting in the shop, I think.
In Tina's, yeah.
There was?
The idea that we would give her the equipment and she would.
Yeah, we sell, I guess. We need to finish.
We need to add
clarifying
another.
this. I'm writing it down.
No, I think we need to add another button if we wanna. Because we can buy equipment, we can sell it for money.
Mm-hmm.
Or we could craft, or we could like do the gacha thing.
I don't remember how the but the gacha is for the rocks.
But we also wanted to put it in here.
No.
Something similar. No?
No, it was only for the rocks.
Oh, okay.
The only gacha I remember. Why do you want to put so many gachas in the game? I thought we weren't making a gacha, Aleph.
Because it's funny.
No, it's not. It's painful.
It is not painful.
Gacha is pain.
If you have to pay for it, sure. I don't think gacha's a mechanic.
It can be fine if done well, but it can also, you know, be a gacha.
We're addicted to gacha? No, it's not about addiction. The idea, for example.
Yeah, sure.
One way to.
How many gachas do you play?
Limbus doesn't count.
Limbus counts. Limbus definitely counts.
No, if you buy the pass, I buy the pass every season. And
that means that you're actually paying for a gacha.
Yeah, 10 euros for the whole, for like 200 days.
Yeah, of course.
It's a lifestyle.
10
no,
euros.
But for example, in what's it called? Xenoblade 2, right? I think.
Yeah, Xenoblade 2 had the gacha of the,
has a gacha mechanic.
Weapon.
First of all, we don't plan on doing microtransactions or anything like that. The game, I don't like it.
Yeah, me neither.
So it's something we don't want to do. I think the best example of it is Baldur's Gate 3. They don't have microtransactions. I don't think a game should need microtransactions. I think we're fine. Also, it's not gonna be a live service games. Fact, live service games suck.
They suck.
Boo.
Live service games suck. In this house, we hate live service games.
In this house, we hate live service games.
Why?
The FOMO fucking sucks, so we're not gonna be doing that stuff.
I have so many things to say about live service games.
I think
like the games themselves are cool, but the system of live service, no thank you.
Can getting character you want or who you no, it's gonna be basically kinda like in HoloCure, a system that you have a list and you will use in-game currency to buy stuff. And you know, it's so you're like when you play the game, everyone has like different things. And to add a little bit more of time of you guys working towards having builds, you know, stuff like that. Something like that.
Yo, Internet Mouse, welcome!
What's up?
Today I've been coding things of the map.
Oh, I know!
Working on these.
I know what we wanted to do with a blacksmith.
What?
We wanted to add the craft with the materials so you could buy the stuff with money, or you could buy
Wasn't it like just selling her the materials so she could?
Oh, we can integrate
the
two
new things
things,
in
I
the
guess. Yeah.
Store, I think it was like that.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yep.
But yeah, basically, I think there's only one live service game that I like, and it's Deep Rock Galactic, because the visual stuff that is on the pass and whatever, they added like next update. So you're not missing on anything, you know? Is the game walking? I hate myself for continuing to fall for them. It is.
Yeah.
At some point they disappear. But in the UE, here in Europe, we're gonna put laws to stop it.
That's true. I think there's a law in process that is being like debated right now about making games that are live service still available even after end of service.
Yes.
So we'll see how that goes, because that would be amazing for game preservation.
I've seen some people complaining about it, and I'm not gonna say names, but
Why?
There's been some streamers.
It's a good thing.
I've seen some streamers complaining about it because of their self-interest game. And if I tell you, I'm not gonna say names. I just find it stupid.
No, you don't have to say names.
But if I say the name to you, Yomi, you will actually be surprised.
Oh no.
Yeah, exactly. If there was an offline mode, for example, Deep Rock Galactic has a single-player mode, and it works. You're not online. You can just work.
Let's see. Like live service games are like live service itself is the enemy of game preservation because all those games are gonna disappear one day eventually. They won't be ever available to the public unless the company does it in some way, puts an offline version, and then that game is lost forever. And it's all the work of so many people going into nothing. Not just the players having paid money during the live service and having like their accounts inaccessible forever, but also all the people that have done art for the game, done the programming, done the story, all the experience of these games is just gone. And it's a shame. It just, I don't know, it makes me sad.
Next stream we're gonna come out and we're gonna say La Gran Art now is gonna be a live service game.
No.
It's gonna be a gacha.
If we ever do that, call the police. It's not us.
You don't want to live the Limbus life?
No, I don't know.
Seems really stressful.
Yeah, Genshin's a live service game. Imagine the day that Genshin maybe has to close. What's gonna happen to everything that is in the game?
I think since since Genshin released and stuff, and attracted a lot of people to the gacha sphere, I do have to remind you, gachas don't last more than 2 years most of the time. Only the big ones do.
A lot of gachas don't last for long.
Dragalia Lost lasted for like what, a year and a half?
Like more or less.
Yeah, I need to remind yourselves, Genshin, Art Knights, Limbus, Wuwa, these games are big, but there's a lot of gachas that are really small and come out and they're really ambitious but they don't work. And when they go to shit, because eventually they go to shit, nobody gives that. It's basically lost media.
Yep.
So
it is really sad. And also servers, for example, sometimes there was this game that I used to play. There was a global server for it. It's a game called Chain Chronicle. I used to play it on the global server, but one day the global server closed. Everyone who played the global server lost their accounts. And then there was only the Japanese server, which is cool. But if you don't know Japanese, then you won't be able to read the story. You have lost all the things that you had.
Honkai
and
Impact
also,
30
the global server was what?
Oh no! Go ahead. Keep going.
Oh yeah. Like Honkai Impact 30 is like one of those games that has lasted for very long.
But it's
like
not,
Grand Fantasy,
it's not
for example.
Niche. I'm telling you right now. Honkai Impact 30 is not niche. It's very famous in China, and it has been since release. So it's not niche. It is not. It's what actually made Genshin possible.
It is very popular, yeah.
If you want to go to another MiHoYo game, or would be the fucking zombie game they have with Honkai too, which I don't remember the name. That game has been there for like 12 years, and is still alive.
That's a lot.
Yeah. GGC? Yeah. That is more niche, because it was one of the first ones they were doing. But Honkai, I think Honkai 3rd is not niche. I think it's a very like widespread name. Gun Girls Dead, yeah.
I'm gonna try to make this.
At least I don't know, man. But don't worry, we'll make this a live service, and you guys will be happy, and you will give us a couple of euros to keep the servers running, right?
Aleph, if someone's holding you at gunpoint, please blink twice.
I'm blinking, but I don't know if it's showing correctly on screen. It's a joke. Honestly, I don't think if I have the... What's it called? I think an online game, even more if it has like player versus player or some bullshit like that, which it's not that common nowadays, but making an online live service game seems really stressful.
Yeah, and you have to date it all the time. You need to keep it active. Otherwise the game dies.
We wanted to do the fake ads for mobile actually for this game.
No.
Yeah, we wanted to make it like kind of like a marketing
thing. I hate those so much. Oh my god. Not the pins, please. Anything but the pins.
Okay, what about the Mario Culon?
What?
Oh, you haven't seen that one? Wait. I'm gonna search for it. Game.
Oh my god, no.
Mario mobile game ad. It's really bad. Mario Culon.
Mario Culon. Why?
It is truly we live in a society.
Oh no.
It kind of reminds me of the what's it called?
Oh my god, no. I can put it right now because you know it would play on the stream.
It's basically one of those games that are like
I see the thumbnail.
It's worse than you imagine once you go inside.
Oh no. I'll be pulling for Sophia then. Stick, thank you for the super chat.
Hey.
I hope that you get her. I hope that you can get her. I think she's guaranteed with the story. If you keep playing the story, you're getting her automatically.
But what about the main version?
Oh, maid version, yeah.
What about the maid version?
Oh, the maid version. That one's gonna be so rare.
That's gonna be so rare.
There needs to be maid version.
Audian maid version.
Fit him well. He would look so cute.
He would look cute.
Audian maid version. He would be the shittiest maid.
He would throw tea on you. Just like... We'd just throw you the tea set.
You know who would fit well also? Ramon would be a good maid, I think. I think he would pull it up.
He could pull it up. But I think he pulls up the butler much better though, I think.
Yeah,
it's much more
it would fit him well. Yeah. He does have the vibe.
He does have the vibe.
I can imagine like Ayn as a maid, but with the spear. He would not let go of the spear.
Of course not. It's his
like
weapon.
A battle maid style.
It's his weapon. Of course not. It's important to him.
It would be really cool. Okay, so
I mean, nothing actually impedes us to put, you know, drawings. If I have the full team in maid version, would I deal more damage?
Yeah.
Sure.
We could put anything. We could, like, we're literally the creators of the game. We could put anything in the game. We could do anything. We have the power to give everyone maid outfits.
We can give everyone maid
outfits. Have the full team in maid version. Would I deal more damage?
Yes, you would. Maybe. Of course. Yeah, of course you would.
Let's see.
I think I'm gonna have to go soon because I'm gonna get called soonish.
Yeah, I'm a little bit uninspired to code more right now. We can take a break. I guess this is good enough.
Yes.
We set up this. We fixed some issues with the world map, which is pretty good.
Pretty good.
Let's give it one last.
What was the problem at the end? I think it was the stop mouse thing, right?
Yeah. The thing to...
The ignore mouse, yeah.
What's it called? To make it so the map doesn't disappear in the corners.
Yeah.
Let me show it one last time. Ta-da! It was something. It was some progress. I usually don't code, so I guess I was still able to do some things.
It was good progress. Yeah. You don't have to worry about it.
Now you've got the world map in progress. I need to fix this.
We need to make the map
This is very, very sketchy. The map needs to be... Right now it's provisional because everything can just be provisional for this, but...
Yeah, we'll fix them later.
Needs animations and stuff, but for now, it works. The shop is gonna be here. We're gonna figure out the way to make it so the map opens when we come here and the shop opens when we are here.
Yeah, that's the next thing we need to do.
That's the next thing, yeah. More concept arts, probably. Oh, and also I finished the Dog Sprite that I was working on last time, so we also have Dog Sprite to start testing some dialogue and stuff.
Nice.
Yippee!
Yippee!
Oh, you know what I should also finish?
What?
The character sprites for the overworld. I've got them done, but I haven't put them here. I need to animate them a little bit.
We need to do the following thing, the tracking.
Yeah. That's gonna be for the dungeons though. Here it's not gonna be necessary.
Fair enough, yeah. But
we could also put it here though. We'll see. We will decide along the way.
But I'm gonna stop for now, because I have to go. So I'll see you guys later.
Let's finish for today.
Let's finish for today. It was good progress.
Thank you all so much for accompanying us today.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Muchas gracias por acompañarnos hoy. Así que por ahora cuidaos mucho. Y nos veremos a la próxima.
Yay.
For now, take care and we'll see you next time.
Yes, take care. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Ciao.